Aptly named the Southern Pines Ranch, this property is an outdoor enthusiast dream, offering unmatched nature, privacy, and security. Comprised of just over 9 acres of Old Florida natural beauty and bordering a 2,200-acre preserve, there is a rare opportunity here for superior privacy with adjoining conservation land that will forever remain undeveloped. The St. Sebastian River Preserve State Park, located behind this parcel, is a flourishing natural ecosystem with 74 protected and diverse species of native plants and animals. The landscape is beautiful with longleaf pines, wiregrass, palmettos, and cypress domes. There's an abundance of wild game like quail, deer, and turkey in your own backyard, plus well-stocked fisheries with bluegill, sunfish, and largemouth bass within a 10-minute drive at the 10,000-acre Headwaters Lake and the 6,500-acre Stick Marsh. The epitome of family recreation, you can launch kayaks, boats, or airboats at the nearby ramps. There's also 60 miles of trails for walking, biking, or horseback riding in the preserve. As you meander the natural foliage, you can enjoy sights of hawks, bald eagles, hummingbirds, and sandhill cranes, as the preserve is also part of the Florida Birding Trail. The 1,624 square foot concrete block house was built in 2001 and is comprised of 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Notable upgrades and features include a new 2023 roof, volume ceilings, accordion hurricane shutters, a full house generator, a propane tank, and a 200 to 300 foot artesian well feeding the pond for storm protection and self-sustained living. Embracing the great outdoors, the kitchen cabinets are a natural wood finish with craftsman-style beadboard and glass door accents. With an extended concrete pad, the footprint is ready for personal touches, and an addition can be added to the existing structure if desired. There is also a workshop and a barn with 4 bays for storing an RV or boat. The property is not only fitting for family recreation, but it can also be utilized as a wonderful rental without any restrictions. Considering the tremendous privacy, this home's location is ideal for everyday conveniences with a mere 10 minutes to the new Cypress Bay Publix for groceries and I-95. Fellsmere is within approximately 30 minutes of Palm Bay, Melbourne, and Vero Beach. The Southern Pines Ranch offers a unique intrinsic value from the exceptional habitat and unparalleled privacy, and it's ready for its next land steward's touch. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If this property piqued your interest, I'd love to connect.